Poetry analysis doesn't need to start with silence and size. Let's make it a little bit more student-friendly using Edcafe AI's slide deck tool. Hey everybody, I'm Sara from Edcafe, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the slide deck tool to create an analysis slide deck on a certain poem. So here we have an example of Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. So we have our title, we even include the whole poem, and then we go into different information for our students to review and also some reflection questions for them to go over. So let's go ahead and quickly create this. We can go into Create New here. We'll click on Slide Deck. And in our topic, you can add in the topic, which would be your poem. So here I can just type it out. Otherwise, you can also go into text and paste in the whole poem if you prefer. Otherwise, then we can add in our additional instructions. So these additional instructions, we want to include everything that we want included in our slide deck. So we want to make sure that the AI knows that we're analyzing this poem for middle school, so include your grade. And we want to include the whole poem, figurative language, theme, tone, and also student reflection. This way we can ask them questions and keep them engaged throughout the presentation. From there, go ahead, select your number of slides. I'll just keep it below 10 here, change your output language if needed, and we can go ahead and select a theme. Then let's generate. When Edcafe is doing the generation, you can take a peek at all of the content and the images that are adding onto your slide. So feel free to change these. I don't really love this first image, so we can go ahead and replace it, and maybe we do something that's more fire and ice instead. So let's just type that out here and scroll through and select an image. So this is what we had before, but this one looks kind of fun, so let's add that in. Perfect. Now we can scroll through and view the rest of our information. So we have our poem text. Maybe let's remove some of the text here. Like just with the image, you can change up any of the text on your slide as well. And before we get into this metaphor example on our figurative language, maybe we add in a discussion question for our students. So we can add a slide, and this time let's go ahead and add a short answer activity to find a metaphor and explain it. Then we can use some different tools or call on a student to have them explain the metaphor and their examples and their thoughts behind that metaphor. Now students can engage in this poem beyond just what is the theme or what is the tone. They can connect to it emotionally and interpret it like real readers. Try building your next lesson on analyzing a poem with Edcafe.